Hello, so can you solve this maths problem without a calculator? So worry not, I will take you step by step. So make sure you watch this video up to the end. Solution. So we have 3 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of x is equals to 90. So the first thing we need to factorize 3 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of x. So this one can also be written as 3 to the power of x into bracket 1 add to 1 is equals to 90. So already I have factorized 3 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of x by writing it in the form of 3 to the power of x into bracket 1 plus 1. So let's work out the number that is inside the bracket. So we shall have 3 to the power of x into bracket 1 plus 1 shall be 2 is equals to 90. So the next step now is for us to divide both sides by 2. So here by 2, so this side also by 2. So 2 by 2 shall cancel. So 3 to the power of x is equals to 2 here once, 2 into 90 shall give us 45 is equals to 45. So we need to find the value for x. So in this case we shall introduce the log from both sides. So here now we shall have the log of 3 to the power of x is equals to the log of 45. So assuming we have the log of x to the power of z, this one can also be written as z, the log of x. So that is to mean that 3 to the power of x, we can write it as x, the log of 3, is equals to the log of 45. So now we shall divide both sides by the log of 3, then this side also by the log of 3, so that log 3 and log 3 shall cancel. So now our value for x is equals to the log of 45, then all over our log of 3. So our log of 3. So from there now we need to factorize log 45 all over the log of 3. So by still writing the log of 45 into this form, so x is equals to, so 45 can also be written as 15 multiplied by 3. So that is, we shall now have x to be equals to the log of 3 multiplied by 15, then this one into bracket all over our log of 3. So now this one can also be written as the log of, so when we open this bracket, we shall now have the log of 3 plus the log of 15, then all over now the log of 3. So we shall now use the log of 3 to divide log 3 and also to divide log 15 separately. So that's now we shall now conclude and say that our value for x here is equals to the log of 3 divided by the log of 3, then plus the log of 15 divided by the log of 3. So from there now we shall say that, so now here now log 3 and log 3 shall cancel, so now our x is equals to 1 plus the log of 15 all over the log of 3. So here now x can also be written as 1 plus, when you factorize log 15, we shall now have the log of 3 multiplied by 5, then all over the log of 3. So just as the way we did the other part, we shall now say that our value for x is equals to 1 plus, now we shall have the log of 3 plus the log of 5, then all over the log of 3. So this one now we shall have as the log x now shall be is equals to 1 plus, so 1 plus log 3, then all over the log of 3, then plus log 5 all over the log of 3. So now our value for x is equals to, so let's now cancel the ones that are similar. So 1 plus, so log 3 and log 3 shall cancel, so now we shall have 1 plus the log of 5 all over the log of 3. So now x is equals to, so 1 plus 1 is 2 plus the log of 5 all over the log of 3. So assuming that we have the log of x all over the log of y, so this one can also be written as into the form of log of x to the base of y. So log of x to the base of y. So that one now shall be the correct answer of converting this. So finally, our value for x here shall be equals to 2 plus the log of 5 to the base of 3. So these are now shall make our correct answer. So let's stop there and see you in our next video.